Hello, teacher and my friend. Today I'm talking about sound. Howard is from the Azaleas. We go to this. What is make the sound and vibration in our bodies? Yes, we need the one. What is make the sound? Sound is made by the vibration, and the vibration happen when something move very quickly. It's very fast. When we speak, our vocal cords vibrate, so we can feel the vibration by placing a hand on your neck. Yes, it's on your neck. And you say you feel it's your neck except the vibrate. The video also show that musical instruments produce sound through vibration. Yes, that is the what is a sound and vibration in our bodies. You can see this. There's a vibration in our body. There's a vibration in your neck. Yes, this is your neck. And we go to the next. Vibration on the musical instrument. Vibration on a musical instrument? Yes, in the instrument, in the musical instrument, it's not on, it's not, except the others, except the vibration. You can see this, there is an example, this is a clarinet, clarinet. And in the video, the prisoner invite his friend, the prisoner is invite his friend to see a musical instrument called clarinet. Yes, you can see in this there is a clarinet, and the clarinet can produce many beautiful sound. Yes, many beautiful sounds because this musical instrument vibrates when air passes through it. Passes through it. Yes, and it is similar to the guitar. You know the guitar? You can know or you know. You can't know or you can know. Yes, the guitar with vibrating string created different sound. When he playing the clarinet, the vibration produced the music he hit. Yes, and in this video we have the two musical instrument example. It have the vibration. There is the guitar and the clarinet, and they is a two musical instrument except the different sound, and it can produce many beautiful sound. Yeah. And we can go to the what makes sound. Sorry, how sound creates music. Hmm. You can see this how sound creates music, right? You can think, the sound is created music. Hmm. But you can know or you can't know. Sound is made by vibration. Yes, really. Sound is made by the vibration, and the vibration happen when something moves very quickly. You can know vibration is happen when something moves very quickly. Yes. And when we speak, our vocal cords vibrate. Can we feel it in your throat? Musical instruments are crazy, and we can feel it in our neck. But the musical instruments are create music through vibration. Yes, musical instruments also create music through vibration, which produce different sound. Let us marry in the house of creative music. And marry this musical instrument, yes, and it have the vibration, and the vibration is make the sound. And we have many, not many, have musical instruments except the guitar, the violin, many. Yes, they this musical instrument we have is make the sound, and we have this, we can make the one music. Yes, and that is how sound creative music. And I am listening to Mary in this my homework. We go to the lesson summary. Now let me summarize today's lesson. Today we can learn that sound is produced by vibration. The sound is produced by vibration, and the vibration happen when an object moves very quickly. This vibration is moved very quickly when we speak. In our vocal cords vibrate, we can feel this vibration on your neck. You can feel this vibration on your neck. Yes. You can test it by placing your hand on your neck while speaking. Remember, always remember, sound is made because of vibration. The sound is made because it has the vibration. Yes. And it's a lesson to Mary. Thank you for listening, and see you again the next homework.